Hi guys, in this video we are going to show you how you can translate any videos or you can summarize any video within just few seconds. So if you don't have time to watch this video, what he just said in this video, so what do you need? Just open this video and watch this video. So that is the not trick to work it. So what do you need? You just need to install this extension, YouTube article summary powered by ChatGPT, Glasp social web highlights and YouTube summary, and says third is ChatGPT. So these three tools you need to have to now summarize any videos within just few seconds. So what do you need? You have ChatGPT account, 2 extensions. So don't worry, I will put this link in description. So let me just play this video and you can see. Oh, sorry about that. So let me just back to the again. And click on this icon. So make sure your ChatGPT all login. So my ChatGPT has not been logged yet. So let me just ChatGPT login. My ChatGPT has been logged in. So now I will back again on this tab and click on this option. So my ChatGPT just summarize this video in 500 words. So you can see they just copy the whole captions in videos and they will just translate in 500 words. So you can see they just translate this and summarize these words. But if you also want to summarize this in just 5 bullets point what is just said, so you can just copy this text again and type here and summarize this following in 100 words. That's it. So you can get this in just 100 words. So he said the translator describes the mock of the Apple iPhone 15 Ultra. The speaker reveals that the device resembles the previous iPhone 14 Pro Max, but when some notable changes, rumors suggest that iPhone 15 will feature USB-C port instead of the Lightning connector. Now that is the script. You can just summarize this video in just few seconds. So hope you like this video. If you like button, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want more tutorial, just click on subscribe button. We will meet you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.